Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Lizzy Anjorin welcomes a child with her husband. Let's check out details. Actress Lizzy Anjorin has welcomed a child with her husband, and announcing a bundle of joy on Instagram, she released a very interesting video with her husband alongside the caption that says, "Egomidogo Oba Shetomaku has done it again. A judge based on our art and not by how you're judged by human. Obakwe Gomire has ended my shame completely. Join us celebrate Allah's favor. He's blessed us yet again. It ended in praise. Alhamdulillah." Date 1st May 2021. Location Miami, Florida, USA. So many people have come to celebrate and congratulate Lizzy Anjorin on her Instagram page. Well guys, let's check out the sweet video she used to announce the arrival of her child with her husband on Instagram. And that's all the gist we have for you today on Plug TV Live. Remember to like and subscribe before you go.